Hi there. Today I'm really excited to introduce you this new AI integration feature, which helps you to form the graph data for you. For example, we have a graph editing data for graph option. We offer a lot of different templates like with the sample data where you can edit them or you can copy paste on the spreadsheets. The new integration is the AI. So with this input box, you can do two things. One thing is you can paste some unstructured text here. If you have numbers and metrics in that, you can use in parse option, which can parse the structured data from your text and for graphing. So the second thing is basically you can ask the AI based on your prompt to generate some public data. It's not guaranteed to be 100%, but most of the time, if it's public data, for example, like here we say the populations, GDP, this kind of public knowledge, it should be very close to reality. So let's take a look at how it works. First, let's copy paste one text I have. Just for demo purpose, there are 8 billion people in the world, of which Asia takes 4 billion, America, South America, North America takes 1 billion, closed. So in this case, if I do the pass, it basically just pass in the text into a structured data. So in this case, you can very quickly to graphing it. This one doesn't have map because, but we can use in the bar chart to graphing it. And here it generates all the dimensions for us to whether uncheck them, or remove the unit, or you can also have multiple multiple dimensions. You can do pivot. Then you can just like pivot by unit, which is basically this is the billion number, right? This is like world. This is Asia, and this is America. So in another mode is basically you can basically ask the prompt, right? In your pasted text, you don't have any numbers in that. You just want to ask the AI to give you data. So for example, if I just simply say population by country, in this case, you can just use in the ask mode because you cannot pass any meaningful data from this simple question. So let's do the ask mode. If I do ask, it basically just ask the AI to generate the latest like populations by each country. This week gives us even more numbers right here. So if you want to add it, something wrong generated by AI, you can always adjust that. But everything, let's assume this data is good, so we can just go ahead to graphing it. By default, it generated the lines, but in this case, actually, we have all the country names, so we can go ahead with the map. So basically, you can use bar map, and we can start into styling it, right? Using different ways to do that. I can do another example. Let's see if we say based on country, let's say total water area in square kilometers by each country, let's say, right? So in this case, we can just check which country has most of the water area. Let's say fresh water, right? So let's do the ask. It's just like contact the the AI and trying to find out the numbers for us to graph in. The API speed is a problem here, but actually, yeah, it comes back with the data. Number one is Russia, Canada, United States, China, Brazil. So we can easily to graph in this. We can map it again, so you can see which country has the most fresh water, and sometimes the AI gives you the the water fresh water name, for example, like lake name, but this one it doesn't do that. But anyways, this is like give us a very quick way to generate beautiful data, and you can just click moving things around and styling it, right? For example, you can use in bubble chart, spike chart, or you can just like customize the color theme for each for each elements. Right, like you can have this one, display value. Yeah, display value is a good option. And then you can customize the font color. Let's say in this case I want not gray but white. I think it's better. Yeah, and And then we can go ahead and just share with the world. Make it a public link, save, and yeah, it's done. Thanks for watching the demo. I hope this is useful for you to even make you faster to get something great to share. Bye for now.